Okay, this time I'm going to show you how to create some kind of aim so that can shoot from any place we want to. So in our player, just right click on it and choose create empty so that we create a new game object that is a child of our player, and I call it an aim. And now let's go to our player movement script, and here we need to get some reference to this aim object that we just created, and we want to get this transform component. So we will create a variable of type transform. So let's go down and use serialize field and give a transform type for this variable, and let's call it aim transform. So we know that this is an aim and the component transform. Now let's go to the place where the bullet is being instantiated, and here we don't want to instantiate where the game object transform position is, but we want to instantiate where the aim transform position is. So just instead of game object, just call aim transform and transform position. That's fine. So let's go back to the Unity, click on the player, and here we will get another field to be filled in. As you can see, there is aim transform and it's none. It's expecting a transform. So what should we do? It's expecting a transform. We could just click on aim and just drag the transform component to it, but it will be a bit difficult. The thing is that we are just grabbing the object that consists of this transform component. So just drag and drop it in here, and that should know it. But of course, our aim is exactly in the middle of our spaceship, so we have to get it out. Just drag it somewhere there, for example. We have our player here, and our aim is outside of it, so that should be fine. Just press play and see if it changes, and yes, as you can see, new bullets are created in front of the spaceship. So now we can just change it back so that the collisions is being detected by the collision, not the trigger, but I think this is a good way of keeping it and it's working fine, so it might stay as it is.